Hi you guys, this is Nisha Weston, and today I am talking about the HydraDerm abrasion machine. Okay, if you guys have not seen it, here it is here. This is the top of it and this is the bottom. So I've already put water in it. And then this is like a water-based microdermabrasion machine. So I hope you guys can hear me pretty well, but I am going to give you like a little preview and show you how it works. So this machine, just to give you a little background of it, this machine forms a vacuum loop through negative pressure, and so you can use it directly on the skin. And under the negative pressure, it is designed to work directly with the skin. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to put this on, and then it has like the line here for, let me show you that. It has the line here as to how far the water goes in. Okay, let me show you that. And then, so it holds on very tightly there, and then this is the lid, and it just comes off. You just kind of give it like a little twist, and it comes off, and I already have a probe on there. So it cleans your pores and it smooths the skin, and it allows for vascular endings to absorb fresh oxygen, and it also promotes blood circulation and accelerate metabolism, and it is also portable, so you guys can see that. All right, and then it comes with 6 probes. So this is one that I have on here, easy to come on and off. So easy to come on and off. So that's one probe there, and this is the soft one. And then it has 5 more, so it's 6 total. I'm going to show you those. Can you see those? Okay, can you see those? All right, and so this is two soft ones. The 2 soft ones here, and these are gentle enough to use every day. And then these are the 4 harder ones. So you can see the size of those. See, this is a larger one here. And then this is another larger one here. So you can get with these 2, you can use them on larger areas like your forehead, or you know, like your cheek area or something like that. And so I have decided to use this as well, like on my underarms, or if I want to like deeply clean my legs when I'm, you know, during the summertime, so I can have a great wax. And so these are the smaller ones. Then you can use them for more stubborn areas and more smaller areas or more difficult areas. Say like if you have like an extraction you need to get rid of, or like small areas or like around the nose. So you can use these for that. All right, so those are the 6 probes there. And then I'm going to show you like how it functions. So this is the charge. It has a charge there. All right, and that's the top on here, so I already have it charged. And then this is the middle one here. I'm going to show you what that is. And then this is the on and off switch. So you have to press that in hard, and you can hear that. All right, and then this one here, the button here, is the intensity, so you can hear that. So that's on low, that's medium, and that's high. You can hear it. That's medium, and that's low. Okay, and you can hear that. I'm going to shut it off for a second. And then, all right, so I showed you the probes. So the softer ones, you can use those daily. And then I would advise that you can use the hard ones maybe once or twice a week, because you don't want to give that much pressure on your skin. And so this machine only uses water. So I know people have asked me that, but it only uses water. And it is sprayed through the nozzle here, through the nozzle in the middle of the treatment head, and it's gentle on your skin. And like I said before, it is portable, and then the suction goes through the suction port around the treatment head, okay? So I am going to show you with the soft probe how to use it. Okay, so you can place it on your skin, and then you can see it forming the water there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So you can, these are for the softer areas here. And then like you want to use it like for your nose. In that area there. Okay, and you can see the water there. So this can be gentle, used gently on your skin. And I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna show you one of the small ones, one of the plastic probes. So and again, use a larger one here. So they're easy to come on and off, as you can see. So I just pressed it on, all right? And then turn it back on. Press it hard, okay? And then be sure to always hold it up, because if you turn it over like that, the water will spill. See another from another angle. If I want to get like a good suction here, just the ones that I went over, but I'm just making sure that I have the water base there so we can have an easy glide going across my skin. And you can really feel this. The suction is really good. Okay. So if you have any questions, just let me